Hey guys, so I'm at Ring Farm for their annual, I think it's the 15th annual Make-A-Wish Foundation. It's super cute, super family friendly. We got pumpkins, homemade apple cider, apple crisp. A local restaurant hosts like a barbecue, super cute. Just went on a little carriage ride with the draft horses over there. But we're gonna pick a pumpkin out today. Then we're gonna bring it home and we're gonna carve it with a chainsaw. Right? That seems pretty fitting. Let's go pick one out. Okay, so we are back home with our pumpkins. We got 2 of them to play around with here. So, I've never done this before. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've carved a pumpkin before with like a kitchen knife and a spoon to scoop out the seeds. But not with a chainsaw, right? Not with power tools. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do this all with the chainsaw. And we're not talking like a big chainsaw. We're talking about this little electric one with my little samurai bark, right? Instead of like puncturing through the pumpkin, I'm actually gonna try to like carve the pumpkin in a 3D form. I don't know how this is gonna go because this is just, I think like the pumpkin carvers use like special types of pumpkins with thicker walls. I could totally be wrong about that. I don't know the first thing about pumpkin carving. Maybe it's disrespectful to take a chainsaw to a pumpkin in the pumpkin carving world. I don't know. If it is, I apologize, but we're just having fun here. And yeah, I got 2 pumpkins. I don't know if we're gonna carve both pumpkins. We're just gonna have fun. So I'm gonna set you up. I think we're gonna start with like some old man spirit face kind of thing. I don't know. We'll see. Hope you enjoy it. How do I even position this thing? I think just like that. Go up a little bit more. I only have 1 battery for my saw. I need to get more batteries. I'm just waiting for them to go on sale or something before this winter. But we're gonna see if we can do this all. We need more batteries. Oh, this is so weird. Oh. Okay. There's like no resistance. That's so weird. Ta-da! Oh, this is cute. He gives me, like, sun vibes. Like, if the sun was an old man, this would be the sun, maybe. A happy little old man. Kind of gives me, like, traditional Mongolian vibes look a little bit. Interesting. Interesting. That was honestly so fun. There's, like, no resistance. It's so weird. It's what I would imagine like carving a really soft foam would be like. It just like mushes under the saw. We try another one. Maybe we'll actually puncture through on this next one. I don't know. Okay, so pumpkin number 2. Pumpkin number 2 doesn't like to stand. He's like weird and wants to lay down. so I have a wedge behind him to prop him up, but I think for this next one, I'm going to do something I'm actually a little bit more familiar with. So I'm thinking let's do an owl face. So here we go. There's a blemish here. I'm not familiar with pumpkins, so it'll be interesting to see what's under there. And then, yeah, we'll be able to round that. Give him like a little fluffy chest here. I think this could be cute. Let's see how much battery we have. Look at that, guys. We did that whole little weird face guy, and we haven't even lost a charge. I am in the splash zone again. There we go. Pumpkin puree. Look at this! I'm covered in pumpkin! Okay, so I just blew off the pumpkins. I just put them in the grass here so I can show you guys. Sorry about being a little clickbaity, putting the larger saw in my thumbnail. But you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, right? These turned out cute. This was fun. Honestly, this was really fun. So, you kind of already saw, but let me show you again.